In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code and insert it on a slide in PowerPoint. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, you'll make a QR code using a free online generator, and then you'll place that image on your PowerPoint slide. A QR code is just a scannable graphic that points people to a website or displays text. It's perfect for slides, because your audience can quickly scan it with their phone and follow along. Start by opening a trusted, free QR code generator in your browser. Popular options include qrcodegenerator.com and qrcodemonkey.com, but any reputable site will work similarly. On the page, look for the field where you can enter what you want the code to contain. Paste in the full URL of the page you want people to visit, or type the exact text you want displayed when scanned. Keep it clean and clear, shorter. Direct links usually scan faster and reduce the chance of errors. When you're ready to download, choose PNG and pick a high-resolution option if the site offers it. Higher resolution helps your QR code remain crisp when resized on a slide. If you see settings for size or quality, go larger rather than smaller, and stick to standard black on white for maximum readability. Then, download the image and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a project folder. Now switch to PowerPoint and open the slide where you want the QR code to appear. Go to the Insert menu, choose Pictures, and then select this device. Navigate to the folder where you saved the PNG, click the file, and insert it into the slide. The image will drop in at its default size, and you can click and drag a corner handle to resize it. Keep the proportions locked so the squares stay perfectly square. Stretching or skewing can make it harder to scan. Place the QR code where it's visible but not blocking your main content. The lower corner works well, as long as there's enough contrast between the code and the background. If your slide has a busy design, consider placing the code over a solid shape or leaving some white space around it so phones can read it easily. Aim for a size that audience members can scan from where they're seated. Bigger is usually better than smaller. And that's it. You generated a high-quality QR code and inserted it into PowerPoint. Keep your QR codes sharp, high contrast, and properly sized, and your audience will be able to scan them in seconds.